No matter the distance, we are always near. Our loves are rare, so precious and clear. In every heartbeat, in each silent prayer, your love surrounds me. It's always there. When I think of you, my heart takes flight. Your love is my guide through every dark night. Our memories shine, they never fade away. In my heart, they are with me each and every day. Our hearts are bound by a gentle thread. In your love, I am always led. You bring me joy that words can't express. With you, my life is truly blessed. To have you in my world is a true delight. You make everything feel so right. In every moment, through all of life's strife, you are my blessing, my love, my life. Each day that passes, I miss you more. Your love is the ocean, and I am on the shore. You fill my thoughts, my dreams, and my days. In your love, I have found the sweetest ways. Waking up with you is my daily prayer. In your presence, there's nothing to compare. You have my heart, my dear, my sunshine. In your love, I am always on cloud nine. Thank you for being my partner, my friend, for giving me love that will never end. You bring countless reasons for me to smile. You make every moment worth the while. You are my perfect dream come true. In your embrace, I find all that's new. Loving you deeply is my heart's desire. Your love sets my soul on fire. Words can't capture the happiness you bring. In your love, my heart takes wing. You are the kindest soul I have ever known. In your love, I have truly grown. With you, my life is full and bright. Everything feels perfectly right. Your love is the light that keeps me alive. In your warmth, I thrive and strive. I love you more than I can say. In your heart, I will forever stay. For you, I do anything, no matter how small. In your love, I find my all. I wish I had more words to express how much I adore you. No less to you, I may be just one person's view, but to me, you are my world, my sky so blue. I have fallen for you many times over. In your love, I have found my four-leaf clover. No matter what happens, come what may, I know you will be with me. Come what may, you are the one I trust. My love so true. Every day I'm grateful for you. Thank God for bringing you my way. An angel who brightens each day. Loving you is the greatest thing I have done. With you, I feel I have already won. You have made my life so wonderful and bright. In your love, I have found my light. I am lost in loving you, so deep and true. In your arms, my soul finds peace anew. No words can capture the way I feel. In your love, everything is real. I wrote your name in my heart so true, and forever it will stay with you. Our love is endless, it knows no end. With you, my life, my love, my friend. In your arms, I find my peace and calm. In your love, I find a soothing balm. Thank you for being my shining star, for guiding me no matter how far. You are my word, my everything. With you, my heart will forever sing. Loving you is my greatest joy. In your love, I feel like a child with a toy. You are the dream I have always sought. In your love, my heart is caught. So here's to us, our love's so true. Together, there's nothing we can't do. No distance can ever tear us apart. For you will always be in my heart. With every breath and every sigh, I'll love you till the day I die. For you are my life, my love, my all, and with you I'll always stand tall. Every day I fall for you anew. In your love I find something true. With you I have found my home, my place. In your love I see God's grace. So here's to the love that we share, a love so true, beyond compare. In your love I find my light, and with you everything feels right. Our love is a story, a timeless song. In your heart I'll forever belong. No matter the distance, no matter the time, our love is a rhythm, a perfect rhyme. With every beat and every embrace, in your love I have found my place. Every moment with you is a dream come true. In your eyes I see skies so blue. With you I have found my forever friend. In your love my happiness has no end. So let's walk together hand in hand through life's journey across this land. No matter what the future may bring, with you by my side, my heart will sing. Our love is a treasure, a gift so rare. In your presence, I find all I need to care. With you, my world is full and bright. In your love, everything feels right.